Have you ever wondered why soil health is a big deal? Well, it's because the soil is alive. It's teeming with countless microscopic organisms that play crucial roles in maintaining the health and fertility of the soil. These tiny heroes are the beneficial microbes that live in the soil. Let's dive into the world of these beneficial microbes. You might not see them with your naked eye, but they are there, working tirelessly to keep the soil healthy. They come in different types, each with its unique role and significance. First in the lineup are bacteria. These microscopic powerhouses are the most abundant organisms in the soil. Bacteria break down organic matter, converting it into nutrients that plants can use. They also help in nitrogen fixation, a process that converts atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can absorb and use. Next, we have fungi. Fungi play a vital role in decomposing organic matter, releasing essential nutrients into the soil. They also form symbiotic relationships with plants, enhancing their ability to absorb water and nutrients. Some fungi even act as a natural defense mechanism for plants, protecting them against harmful pathogens. Then there are the protozoa. These single-celled organisms are the predators of the soil microbe world. They feed on bacteria and other small microbes, regulating their populations and releasing nutrients in the process. Last but not least, we have the beneficial nematodes. These microscopic worms feed on other harmful microbes, including those that cause diseases in plants. They play a crucial role in controlling the population of harmful microbes, thus maintaining the balance in the soil ecosystem. Now, why does soil health matter so much? The answer lies in the concept of sustainable farming. The health of the soil directly influences the health of the crops grown in it. Healthy soil, teeming with beneficial microbes, ensures robust crop growth and yield. It also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which can harm the environment and disrupt the soil's microbial balance. But soil health is delicate. Careless farming practices such as excessive tilling and overuse of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides can destroy these beneficial microbes and degrade the soil's health. Over and under watering can also damage the soil. This can lead to poor crop health and yield, as well as environmental damage. So, it's crucial to adopt sustainable farming practices that protect and enhance soil health. This includes drilling holes or trenches where needed, instead of tilling an entire area annually, rotating crops, using organic fertilizers, and promoting biodiversity. The use of woven ground fabric is a non-chemical way of controlling weeds that won't harm the soil. This fabric allows water to penetrate, but when used correctly, suppresses weeds. Planting cover crops that fix nitrogen in the soil just before winter is another way of adding green fertilizer back into the soil. By doing so, farmers can maintain the balance of beneficial microbes in the soil, ensuring its health and fertility for generations to come. In conclusion, the soil is a living, breathing entity full of beneficial microbes that keep it healthy and fertile. Protecting these microbes and promoting soil health is not just essential for sustainable farming, but also for the well-being of our planet. So next time you see a patch of soil, remember it's not just dirt, it's a thriving ecosystem, and the care we put into it comes back to us in the form of healthy gardens that produce nutritious food.